Racing just started. We have Zer Henry break quickly to start. Shadow Straps down on the inside. Frozen Margarita. State Witness Makisig. Alabanian Queen. Manilas James. Then Hill Dave. Then moving up. Luck to win. Daredevil racing second last now is Prussian Gunner, while Grand Sensation is the trailer and going along for the first turn. The lead now belongs to State Witness via about 2 lengths. Frozen Margarita. Then next on that is Shadow Straps. Zer Henry Makisig. Manila's Gem comes next. Alabanian Queen. Prussian Gunner. Luck to win. Daredevil. Dane Hill Dave racing second last, while Grand Sensation is still racing in 12. Back to the leader, we have Shadow Straps. Zer Henry moving up for the outside. State Witness. Then next on line is Frozen Margarita. Makisig comes next. Then next on line is Manila's Gem. Moving up now on the outside is Prussian Gunner. Luck to win. Alabanian Queen. Daredevil. While Grand Sensation now racing less as they swing for home. Shadow Straps. Down on the inside is Frozen Margarita. And on the outside is Zer Henry with about 100 meters of the race. We have Frozen Margarita moving up on the outside. Zer Henry. Frozen Margarita. Zer Henry's on the outside. And finally it's Frozen Margarita. Zer Henry. Then comes Shadow Straps.